Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use trending effects in Tempo. Tempo does not use complicated editing tools, instead it uses trending templates and built-in effects that automatically sync your photos and videos to music beats. And in this video I'll show you exactly how to use trending effects. So first what you can do is you need to open to your Tempo app on your phone. Make sure you already have a Tempo app. If you do not have, so you can go to the Play Store or the App Store and download it from there as well. And on the home screen you'll see a section like trending, popular, new templates over here for you. So what you can do is you can simply tap on the trending what's popular right now on the top here and select use on the bottom. So over here select any of the photo that you want to preview on the video and select right icon in the bottom right again. And each trending template already includes beat match transition, motion and zoom effect, timing sync to the music, and this is what makes the video look professional. And once you find a template, like you can choose the music track on the bottom. You can add your photos or video clips from the gallery as well. Once you tap on the music icon, select replace if you want to replace the music from the template, and Tempo automatically applies a trending effect to your media. You can customize the final result by changing the order of the clips. You can also change the filter of the video as well over here and preview the video to make sure it matches your vibe. And if this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.